All right, let's break down the EduHeal Olympiads and exactly how you can win.
First up, what can you win? Check out this overall top performance award.
So, how do you get in on this? This explainer's got you covered start to finish.
Okay, first things first, you've got two clear paths to get yourself registered.
You can go through your school, which is the usual way, or register online yourself.
Going through your school, it's super straightforward. Your coordinator handles most of it.
Yeah, the packet has a bunch of forms, but don't worry, your school's coordinator manages them.
Heads up on the cost. It's actually a little cheaper to register online individually.
But, and this is really important, only register on your own if your school isn't participating.
Okay, mark this on your calendar. August 31st, that's the main deadline you can't miss.
All right, you're in. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about what you can actually win. Nail that #1 international rank, and you're looking at 50,000 rupees, plus a gold medal.
Come in at #2 internationally. That's a cool 25 grand and a silver medal. And it doesn't stop there. Check out the full breakdown for top national and international rankers.
But hey, you don't have to be a national champ to get recognized. Let's talk school level.
At your school, the top 3 in your class get medals. And guess what? Everyone gets a certificate.
Now, this is really cool. You get a report that breaks down your performance and strengths. And it gets even better. EHF has some other pretty unique ways to celebrate your hard work. Yeah, we're talking awards for dedication and amazing exposure trips for the top finalists. So with all these paths,